Forget about the old classic black and white footage that everyone is so used to seeing.
This collection is a real time machine that transports you to America of the last century, painted in vivid colors. 43 unique photographs, restored with incredible precision, show life as it truly was. From the bustling streets of New York to the dusty roads of the Wild West, these are not just photographs, they are history frozen in time, but now in color. And this is Black Panda, and we are starting yet another brand new and exciting collection of truly remarkable and historically significant photographs.
A psychiatric hospital at the beginning of the 20th century, the harsh reality of 1904. An Arikara warrior nicknamed Bear Belly, North Dakota, 1908. A flower shop on Union Square in San Francisco steeped in the spirit of the 1940s. A girl on the beach in Santa Monica, California, 1940. An 8-year-old boy works on a farm, Western Massachusetts, 1915. Children rummage through a landfill, collecting anything that can be sold or used. This is not a game, but a harsh necessity to obtain food for their families. Pawtucket, Rhode Island, 1912. The dwelling of a Mexican worker on the edge of a frozen pea field, Imperial Valley, 1938. Coal sorters in Houston, Pennsylvania, 1911. A woman with 2 children buys balloons. New York, 1919. Celeste Radin in a transparent lucite boat, a marvel of technology that allowed people to glimpse the underwater world. Invention Exhibition, New York, 1941. Goats pulling a cart. An unusual scene that shows how even in a big city there was room for bizarre experiments. National Park, New York, 1904. Hats neatly hung in a billiard room, New York, 1943. Father and daughter together driving a harness of horses in a wheat field, 1910. The Easter Walk of 1925, the elegance and charm of the past. Graduation from the United States Naval Academy, Annapolis, 1917. Black Sunday was the day when a dust storm engulfed the city, turning day into night. Fertile soil was swept away by the wind, leaving behind a desert and despair. Boise City, Oklahoma, 1935. Firefighters and police officers trained in gas masks, preparing for possible attacks. War seemed imminent, and America was preparing for the worst. New Jersey, 1940s. A photographer balances on the 18th floor above 5th Avenue to capture the perfect shot. Courage for the sake of art, that is the spirit of the times. New York, 1906. A boy from the J.S. Farron Packing Company carries a heavy load. Baltimore, 1911. New York from a bird's eye view, 1953. The city that never sleeps. A little dreamer in a pilot's costume in a toy airplane, 1941. Bodybuilder Gene Jansen with his son. His powerful physique graced the cover of Strength and Health magazine 3 times, and he later became not only an athlete, but also a poet, sculptor, and resort owner. Muscle Beach, California, 1949. Fishermen pull in their nets while the waterfront goes about its measured pace of life. Sausalito, San Francisco, 1950s. Joe Kramer's farm, Williston, 1937. Jeans here are not a fashion accessory, but protective gear. Durable denim was created for work, not for the catwalk. Washing clothes in Central Park due to water shortages. New York, 1949. Cotton candy at the Pittsburgh Fair, 1945. The taste of childhood. A warrior on horseback, photographed by Edward S. Curtis. His people traveled nearly 3,000 kilometers fighting for their freedom. The Nez Perce tribe, 1907. Musicians against the backdrop of a waterfall, the first music festival full of freedom and creativity. Virginia, 1931. An ordinary walk through a city where every step is steeped in history. Boston, 1930. New York, in contrast, 1980s. Photographer Louis Martin captured how prickly cacti were harvested in Texas to feed livestock. Times were tough, and even shrubs were put to use. Texas in drought harvesting prickly pears, 1930s. A girl protesting against bras became a symbol of the rebellious 1960s. Feminists at the time declared bras to be the shackles of patriarchy, a bold image that still provokes controversy today. Feminism in Action, San Francisco, 1969. America is a country of cars. In the 1950s, fast food restaurants served not only burgers, but also cold air directly into cars. Food, movies, love, all of this was done without getting out of the car. Texas, 1957. Photographer Stanley Hall captured the moment when man, tree, and nature merge into a powerful image. It is nature against the city, and Brooklyn looks like a scene from an apocalyptic movie. Hurricane Carol, Brooklyn, 1954. Golden Gate Bridge, first date 1937. The Cold War is in full swing, and shelters are being built on Santa Monica Boulevard. This image is a reminder of the paranoia and hope of those years. Bomb shelter in Los Angeles, 1951. Who said people in the 1940s didn't know how to have fun? Walking on stilts isn't just a circus act, it's a way to stand out from the crowd. Los Angeles, 1942. Cars crawl along snow-covered roads. This photograph is about the resilience and harsh beauty of the American heartland. Winter in Idaho, 1952. A farm worker surrounded by toothy creatures, a photo that gives you goosebumps, courage, and exoticism in one frame. Crocodile Farm, California, 1926. Sunbathers against the backdrop of skyscrapers, the perfect contrast between urbanism and carefree living. Later, an elite neighborhood would grow here, but in 1977 it was just sand and skyscrapers. Beach at the World Trade Center, 1977. A tender and powerful image, a young woman with a child, captured in a moment of waiting. A story that speaks for itself. Indian mother at the train station, 1930. Al Capone and his gang, Chicago, 1928. The legendary gangster and his crew in one shot. Chicago in the 1920s was a world where rules were written in blood. Santa Monica and its legendary Muscle Beach, the birthplace of bodybuilding stars. This photo is about strength, grace, and California vibes. 1949.
These photographs are not just pictures, but pieces of living history. They show America as it was, harsh and vivid, full of contrasts and hopes. Each shot is a glimpse into the past that still speaks to us today. And that's all from me. Thank you for watching the video. As always, I ask you to subscribe to the channel, give a like, and leave a comment. And this was Black Panda with you. Please take very good care of yourselves, everyone, and we will definitely see you all again in the very next video.